what needs to be eliminated so that schools can be transformed into a learning community. Would this be letter A, collective inquiry for best practices? Letter B, community for continuing improvement? Letter C, centralized governance? Or letter D, shared vision, mission, values? Ano po yung kailangan nating alisin para yung mga paaralan po natin ay matransform into a learning community? And of course, ang tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter C. Kasi kapag sinabi pong centralized governance, mula pa po sa district, okay? So sa mas nakakataas na office yung inyo pong magiging desisyon, okay? So kung ano yung nararapat doon, kung ano yung applicable doon, yun po yung inyong susundin. So minsan po hindi applicable sa inyo, di ba? At minsan po wala kayong say kasi po sila yung nagdedesisyon, no? So higher ups yung nagde-decide, hindi po kayo, no? Bilang isang learning community, okay? So yan po yung kailangan nating alisin, all right?